then they would have convicted both of these guys. But as it happens, they didn't.
The mystery surrounding Smart's death has spanned from the Central Coast to San Pedro, where Paul Flores was living. The last time neighbors saw him was in handcuffs when he was arrested more than a year ago.
He wasn't confrontational in any way, shape, or form. He was more of a recluse. He didn't want to make any problems with anybody. But now we know why.
I wasn't really scared, so, I mean, it just sucks that this happened a long time ago and they're barely getting justice.
And despite countless searches and warrants at both Paul and his father's home, Kristen's body is still missing. The San Luis Obispo sheriff reassuring the Smart family investigators won't give up.
We don't take a breath. We do not put this aside. We continue to pursue this until we bring Kristen home.
There was renewed interest in Kristen Smart's death after a podcast came out a couple of years ago that prosecutors say helped them in court. As for Paul Flores, he is expected to be sentenced in December.
CBS 2 KCAL 9 News reporter Leslie Marine in San Pedro. 12:41, we'll check traffic in 4 minutes.
Everything, our farm, our stand, our pop-up shop, it really all started when we discovered the benefits of local raw honey for our family.
And then we decided to turn it into a business.
We were looking for something to help us get up and running.
So we got the Chase Business Complete Banking Account.
It's more than a bank account. It comes with Quick Accept, which lets us take card payments anytime, anywhere in the U.S. using the Chase mobile app. Plus, we can same-day deposits at no extra cost. For us, it's more than honey. It's about sharing a little sweetness with the world.
Get the Chase Business Complete Banking Account with the essentials you need to help get your business going. Learn more at chase.com/business-complete-banking. Chase for business. Make more of what's yours. Quick Accept is not available in U.S. territories. Enrollment required. Usage subject to approval. Same-day deposits available for payments before 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Sunday to Friday. Fees and rates apply for checking and processing. Limitations and restrictions apply. Participants compensated. Merchant services provided by Payment Tech LLC and WePay Inc. Subsidiaries of J.P. Morgan Chase Bank and a member FDIC.
Help protect yourself with IQAir's Health Pro Plus, the large room air purification choice for viruses. And for a limited time, use promo code RADIO and save 5%. Visit IQAir.com/US. That's IQAir.com/US.
We are cleaning house at Kia of Downtown LA this October. Looking for that new Kia? You're in luck. At Kia of Downtown LA, we have a huge selection and new cars are flowing in daily. Check out the new 2022 Kia Forte, Kia Sorento, the sporty K5, or the all-new, all-electric EV6. Drive home your next Kia from Kia Downtown Los Angeles, just down the street from Crypto.com Arena on South Figueroa Street, or visit KiaofDTLA.com.
The experts at AMCO have been fixing cars for almost 60 years. Over that time, they've gotten more complex than ever. That's why our techs undergo rigorous training and certifications, so they can fix anything, including the most complicated repairs that come with some of the latest technologies. After 60 years, there's nothing we haven't seen or fixed. It's how we know cars inside and out. AA, come see it. Check engine light on? We'll check it for free.
The Smell Good Plumbers at Mike Diamond will unclog your drain for $99. Having your stoppage installed by these aroma-friendly technicians can save you money, prevent flooding inside your home, and remove all unnecessary worry from your life. Your drain will drain more efficiently, your pipes will flow smoother, and your faith in mankind will be restored. This $99 unstopped rate applies to kitchen sinks, mainline sewer stoppages, and all 5 coronary arteries. Schedule an appointment today and your Mike Diamond plumber will show up on time, act professional, and smell better than a new car wrapped in bacon. You will be able to get back to life sooner, focus on things that really matter, and avoid the unsanitary atrocities of Bubba the Butt Crack Plumber. No Bubba's here, ma'am. Got a clogged drain? Reference the $99 stoppage page. TheSmellGoodPlumber.com. Then call 800-446-MIKE. Contractor license number 399-170.
This is Mike Diamond, and I guarantee my plumber will show up on time and smell good. Your house call is free.
Anywhere you want KNX News, you can get KNX News.
The free Odyssey app, Alexa, Siri, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok.
If it matters to you.
It's on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
12:45, I'm Bob Rose. Stories coming up.
This is Chris Sedens. A commonly used addiction drug could hold the secret to easing long COVID.
Opposition developing for the merger of Kroger and Albertsons. Opposition developing there between those two giant supermarket chains. CBS News poll finds Democrat momentum is stalling, just for the interpolations. Those stories in the next 15 minutes, but first, we're checking traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5. Let's check in with Tony Campos.
Well, we've got a really, really bad crash at Woodland Hills. This is on the 101 West, right about Shoup. This is just past Topanga Canyon. And this was a vehicle that went over the side of the freeway. And it looks like there may have been a big rig involved with this crash. But that vehicle was at high rates of speed, hit the center divider, bounced off that, and it looks like somebody is trapped underneath that vehicle. We've also got 3 other parties that are trapped. So we're going to keep you updated on this. But they're stopping lanes, or they did just a few minutes ago. That Shoup off-ramp now shut down. They're going to run a break from Winnetka here in the next few minutes. And there's debris across lanes, so a lot to get cleaned up. Again, this is on the 101 heading westbound in Woodland Hills. All lanes are stopped right now on the 101 west at Shoup. We've got a signal right now in Bellflower. This is for the 91 East, right about Lakewood, from Lakewood to Bellflower, actually. Caltrans is blocking those right 3 lanes and the Clark on-ramp. We've also got the Bellflower off-ramp blocked until 7 a.m. The signal will be ongoing for a while. They've got a lot of guardrail to repair after a big rig crash earlier damaged that guardrail. Next report, 12:55 from the Irvine Auto Center, 24-hour traffic center.
A warmer day across Southern California today, and even warmer as we head into tomorrow, but we are expecting low pressure to approach, and as it does, temperatures will get cooler by Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. We could even get a light chance or slight chance of light rain as we head to the weekend as well. Minimal at this point, but we will continue to track it. Temperatures going from the 70s, 80s, and 90s to pretty much just the 50s. And 60s. With Southern California's most accurate and dependable forecast, I'm CBS 2 meteorologist Evelyn Tapp, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Chino Hills down 66 degrees. It's 66 in Anaheim. Downey reporting 70 degrees, and in the San Fernando Valley, believe it or not, it's 78 degrees in Arleta at 12:47. Researchers are looking into a widely available addiction drug that, as Chris Seaton tells us, could help people dealing with long COVID.
The drug is called naltrexone. It's a generic drug typically used to treat alcohol and opioid addiction. Now you may be able to add lasting effects of COVID to the list.
Low-dose naltrexone is mostly being used to treat those energy, brain fog, forgetfulness phenotypes, and less sort of a panacea for everything.
Dr. Zach Porterfield is a virologist at the University of Kentucky. He co-chairs a task force looking into long COVID.
Most of the data is still emerging, so the trials that have shown some effect have been relatively small in size, and so a lot of research still needs to be done.
Dr. Porterfield says early evidence shows the anti-inflammatory properties of naltrexone at a very low dose seems to be part of the benefit when it comes to treating those dealing with long COVID. Chris Seaton's KNX News 97.1 FM.
Some of us made the most out of our COVID time lockdowns back in 2020. New data from the National Bureau of Economic Research is showing the beginnings of a mild baby boom coming out of the pandemic. UCLA economist Martha Bailey is lead researcher for the report. She tells KNX, while this isn't an historic baby boom, it's still significant.
The post-war baby boom was an increase in the general fertility rate of about 50% and an increase of about here, we called it a baby bump. It is an increase in birth rates that started in about February of 2021, so that would correspond to roughly April, May conceptions, right after kind of the pandemic started. And birth rates were up in the United States among U.S.-born women by about 5% by the end of the year.
Bailey pointed out that birth rates jumped for both women under age 25 and for women in their late 30s and early 40s. The baby bump reversed several years of declining birth rates in the United States. The battle for control of Congress is intensifying amid voter concerns about high gas prices and inflation.
Nationwide, with Election Day now 3 weeks away, a new CBS News poll finds Democratic momentum stalling. President Biden tried to re-energize the base around the issue of abortion.
The court got Roe right nearly 50 years ago, and I believe Congress should codify Roe once and for all.
CBS polling shows the percentage of voters who say abortion is very important to them is slightly lower now compared to last month. It trails behind other issues such as the economy and inflation. Natalie Brandt, CBS News.
Tracker poll also finds Republicans are more enthusiastic about voting than Democrats. Time to check your money, and for that we turn to Larry Klosky.
Less than a week after the deal was announced, opposition is building to the planned merger of Kroger
in Albertsons. Democratic Senator Amy Klobuchar